Hi, I'm Chris Haigh and this is the Fiddle channel, and today we're going to play Gold Rush. This is a great lively tune, and it was written by Byron Berline with Bill Monroe in 1967. I'm going to give you two versions, a simple version and a more interesting varied version. This is played with quite a lot of swing and it's usually quite fast, but we'll start off at a nice easy tempo. 1, 2, 3. Now this version I transcribed from a video of Byron Berline sitting in a music shop playing the tune as he wrote it. There's quite a lot of variations appeared over the years, and one of the best is in the second half, which I will definitely show you. But a lot of the detail, I think particularly in the second line, is quite a lot different in some people's versions. So if you're just starting off with this tune and you're intending to play it with somebody else, then it might be a good idea to just check what version they know before you spend a lot of time in learning a different version. But anyway, let's go through this again, same version with the backing. So let's do the same thing again, but this time I'm just going to add some open string drones, and these are the easy drones, the ones that just are either on the string above or the string below, and you'll find that it adds quite a lot to the sound. Now let's look at the more complicated version. So we're going to start off with drones again. Then we've got a hammer on of a C sharp, and you jump onto the 4th finger, and you've got that 2 E's going at once. And then if you can, hold that 4th finger as you put your 1st finger down. This is not easy, and it may take you quite a while to master this 4th finger business. Let's just take it up to there. Another hammer on. 2nd finger and hammer on again. To the 4th finger. Another hammer on. This is a slid C natural, so that's a blue note. Now here's the interesting bit. 2nd finger on the F sharp, 4th finger on the D, and we're going, and then to the 1st and 3rd finger. Second and 4th again. Now this is the same fingering as, but we're syncopating. And that 4th finger is being held all the way through that bar. Now some people will play the both times, so you'll get it like this. So I've given you both versions. Some people will just do the 1st version, some will just do the 2nd. I think it's most interesting if you do one as a variation, so you do both like I've done. One more variation, if you watch Kenny Baker playing this, then his opening is slightly different. He gives us a, which is really quite satisfying. So he's given us the G natural, which is the flat 7th. So that's not in the original, so I haven't played that, but I think that's possibly better than the original version. So thanks for watching. I'm going to play you out with Twice Round, and I'll do a bit of a solo the 2nd time. I do hope you enjoyed this, so thank you for watching, and if you want to subscribe and send me an email, then I can send you a copy of these variations. So see you again soon.